Hey guys, Tim with the Boathouse. Question I get a lot is why two GPSs in the dash of my boat? Well, it's easy. I mean, obviously for easy visibility, when you're out in a boat, you want to be able to see what's in front of you. But the idea of two of them is we don't really do analog gauges anymore. Everything's gone digital. So there's no gauge cluster. So in this case, I have this front one up as my GPS, but I have four corners for my information. I have my speed, I have depth. This one has the GPS heading and GPS position. I can change those to anything I want, but that's the four most common. If I want gauges, I don't have a gauge cluster, so I can have a second screen. In this case, for the Yamaha, it does have the Yamaha gauge on it. If I was fishing and I wanted to go more depth for just sonar purposes, I can still keep my GPS up, but now I can go to just my sonar for the bottom. You can set up things for side view, structure, that kind of stuff, more into that fishing aspect of it. So this one's still going to show me contour of the bottom. Looks like there might be a couple fish or a group of fish passing below now. But the idea of twin screens is instead of relying off just this or only going to one screen where it's one thing and only one thing, I can now spread out more information in front of me. As simple as going back to, if I want gauges, go back to Yamaha. If you like gauges, you can hit engines and I can go to an engine cluster, have everything you need. So why two gauges? Everything in front of me, everything is digital. One touch, it's all right in front of you.